This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms. Part 8.
All ears. Listening intently.
I'm all ears. Tell me what happened.
All thumbs. Clumsy.
I'm all thumbs when it comes to sewing.
Apple of my eye. Someone who was very important to you.
My daughter is the apple of my eye.
Butterflies in my stomach. Feeling nervous.
I have butterflies in my stomach before my big presentation.
By the skin of your teeth. Barely making it.
I passed the exam by the skin of my teeth.
Cat got your tongue? Why someone is not speaking?
Why are you so quiet? Has the cat got your tongue?
Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Don't discard something good along with something bad.
I know you don't like the new policy, but don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. There are some good aspects of it that we should keep.
Drop in the bucket. A very small amount in comparison to what is needed.
The $10 donation is just a drop in the bucket compared to what we need to raise for the charity.